Hello, hello. It's Trisha here. You are looking at my brother's sewing machine. Today, I thought I'd bring you into the Freedom Hill studio and show you exactly how to install this flower presser foot. I uploaded a video, I don't know if a couple weeks ago, of some flowers I made with this, and I said I might do an installation video for you. So that's what I'm going to do. You're going to need the presser foot. I got mine on Amazon. Also, you will need your little screwdriver. I use this one that came with my machine, but you can use whatever one you have. So first things first, right now this is threaded with another foot, and I'm going to remove that foot first thing. And I also have to remove, I guess it's called a shank, that foot would apply to. That, you know, it captures on this part. You have to remove the shank, and that's where you might need your screwdriver. It has a screw over here on the side, and you just undo that and boom, mine just falls off. So that is now removed. It does not hurt your machine to remove these parts. They're made to come off so that you can use other feet. Because this piece has a shank already on it. The shank is there. So what we have to do is attach this where we just removed the shank where this little screw is. Now I may have to loosen it further to get this in there. Let me try it out. Okay, I'm reaching around my camera now, like hugging it, because I filmed this from the side, but my arm was blocking everything, so I couldn't do that. So I'm going to try it again from this side, and I wanted to point out that this arm must be positioned above the needle shank. See this needle shank here? This arm has to go above it. This arm is what controls the foot that makes it go around in a circle. So when we position this under here to install, we have to make sure we put that little arm up above the shank that holds the needle. Now there you have it. Can you tell that's above there? Otherwise, it's going to be prevented from going down and obviously make it impossible to sew if your needle can't go down. So I'm tightening this up with my fingers now. And I'll use the little screwdriver. So now it's installed, and it's best if your thread, needle and the bobbin thread, both come up from down below. So I'm going to lift this up a little bit and pull that thread so both threads are now coming from the bottom. You're ready to sew. You're ready to sew some flowers. And again, here's some samples of what I did last week, my rough first tries. And I'm continuing to learn and practice, and it's actually a lot of fun. I like it that it makes eyelets, that small thick one there at the bottom. It's like an eyelet. Very cool. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Have fun with your new foot.